ladies and gentlemen, if you'll please pay attention to me, I'll show you a coin juggling mystery. It starts with one coin in the right hand like that, then placed in the left hand, which is held rather flat. It causes the coin to vanish, you see. That's the first part of my mystery. Except I remember my magic book says, to vanish a coin, there are many different ways. It's very simple, I'm afraid I proceed. Expressions on faces which spell, you deceive. Four coins. Watch closely, the coins on my left. No, my hands are not so deft. 'Tis merely your anticipation that cries, as one hand are quicker than both of our eyes. But really, 'tis merely a matter of so. A twist of the wrist, an invisible throw. Then you gaze to the air as the coins pass on by. Pops up right over here again to greet your eye. Now the coins really are there, yet if I care, I merely say presto. The coins fly through the air, unseen as though cloaked by the darkness of night. Then it pops up right here.